Did you know that the largest cathedral in Great Britain is not Westminster Abbey? Nor is it St. Paul's Cathedral. The title belongs to Liverpool Anglican Cathedral, a stunning architectural marvel in the heart of Liverpool. Join me as we take a drone tour of the cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral Church of Christ in Liverpool. The cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic revival architecture, was designed by Sir Giles Scott and its foundation stone laid by King Edward VII in 1904. The cathedral was finally completed and declared open by Queen Elizabeth II in 1978. As the largest cathedral in Britain, Liverpool Cathedral is truly monumental. It stretches nearly 200 meters in length and can accommodate up to 2,000 guests. And as the seventh largest in the world, it finds itself in good company that includes St. Peter's Basilica, Milan Cathedral, and the Seville Cathedral. The cathedral is situated on St. James's Mount, offering breathtaking views of the city and the River Mersey. It stands as a symbol of Liverpool's rich cultural and religious heritage. The cathedral is a Grade 1 listed building, acknowledged for its exceptional architectural and historic importance. In the cathedral, you can find Britain's largest organ and the highest and heaviest peal of bells in the world. Whether you are here to soak in its grandness or simply enjoy the serene atmosphere, Liverpool Cathedral is a place where history and spirituality come together beautifully. So that's it for the drone view of Liverpool Cathedral. How does it compare to other cathedrals in the world? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.